The motivational niche is very competitive. I know that you already know it. I recently uploaded these videos about the dark psychology and dark motivation niches. A lot of my subscribers have started their own channels regarding these niches and got a lot of views in the past weeks. So I decided to do some research and find another sub-niche that has low competition. And yes, I found one. This niche is Stoicism. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to start your own channel about this niche and create both long and short videos for this channel. Stick with me till the end of this video. If you follow all the steps correctly, you will be able to monetize this channel without any problems. First, let me show you an example channel. This channel has 117,000 subscribers. They post both short and long videos. According to Social Blade, their average income is around $4,800 a month. You may wonder how this channel got a lot of subscribers within a few months. The secret is short videos. With short videos, it's really easy to get a lot of subscribers, especially in this niche. That's why I decided to show how to create both short and long videos. So, let's start. First, we need a name for this channel. ChatGPT will help us with that. Give me 10 name ideas for a motivational YouTube channel about Stoicism. I really like this name, which is Stoic Spark. Let's select it and generate a description as well. Simply type like this. Give me a small YouTube channel description for a YouTube channel about motivation. The channel's name is Stoic Spark. We have a description as well. Now we need a logo and a banner for this channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI similar to Midjourney, but it's very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu and select the number of generations. And then simply type this prompt. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel. By changing different types of characteristics, you can get different types of logo ideas. So, if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can change the prompt and try again. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner. I will generate a background image for our banner using this AI and edit it using Canva. Just like before, use this same prompt. Make sure to change the image size to a horizontal size. And if you want, you can change this prompt. After you generate the banner image, let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create Design and select YouTube Banner. You can select a suitable template from this side menu. I will select this one. First, let's remove its background. Then, go to Upload and add the background image that we generated using Leonardo AI. Change the size of this image according to the template. And add a text layer. And let's add a slogan as well. Ignite your resilience with Stoic insight. I will add this slogan. If you don't have any idea about a slogan, use ChatGPT for that. You can add suitable text effects and fonts. I will leave that to you. Make sure to create a good-looking banner. Now let me show you the most important part, which is creating videos. First, let's start with short videos. We need a script for these videos. Let me show you how to create a script using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. If you want, you can change this prompt according to your channel. If you want to get more ideas, you can use Google and search about Stoicism. This is just a short video, therefore a small quote like this would be suitable. As you can see here, within a few seconds, ChatGPT has generated an amazing script. You can also use TikTok to find the best topic ideas. This is just for this example. Now we need to generate a voiceover. I'm going to use 11 Labs for that. If you don't like 11 Labs, you can use verbatic text-to-speech AI as well. In this video, I will use 11 Labs. If you don't have an account sign up, you will get free 10,000 characters. It's more than enough for at least 5 videos. Then, select a suitable AI voice from these settings. Our niche is Stoicism, therefore using a deep voice would be amazing. So, make sure to select a voice that can represent this niche to your audience. After that, copy and paste the script we generated part by part and create the voiceovers. Now we are done with voiceovers as well. We need to find suitable images for our video background. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that. Just like we did before, select a suitable model and use this same prompt. If you want different results, you can change it in a suitable way. We will need around 6 to 8 images. After you generate those, download the images that you like the most. Make sure these images are in line with the script. We are talking about Stoicism. Make sure these images are suitable for that. Now, We have all the things we need to create our video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it onto your mobile or computer. Start a new project. Click this Modify button. You can change the project name and settings here, and select the suitable size for short videos, which is a 9:16 ratio. After that, import all the voiceovers and the images. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline. Then, place these images on top of it like this, and make sure to edit its size according to the video size. You can add images one after the other like this. If you have more images, it will increase the content quality. After you add all the images, we should add some cool transitions. Go to Transition from the top menu and select suitable transitions from these. I really like this glitch transition effect. Add transitions in between all images. After that, let's add some video effects as well. Go to Effects from the top menu and try these effects. There are hundreds of effects here. Just play with these and make your video edit more interesting. These are steady images. Adding different types of video effects will give the viewer a different vibe, so make sure to add more effects. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. After you are done with that, you can add some text animations as well. Go to Animations from this side menu and select a simple animation. Make sure to select all the captions before you add the animations, or you will have to add it to each text layer one by one. After that, we need to add some background music to this video. Pixabay.com is a free website where you can find any type of music and sounds. So go to that and download suitable background music. Then, add it to your timeline like this. Make sure to reduce its volume. Now, you can export this video from CapCut. Now let's see how to create a long format video for this niche. It's basically the same process, but we need an interesting topic and a good script. In this first video, I will talk about what Stoicism is. So let's go to ChatGPT again and ask it to write a script for us. Just like before, you can simply ask like this. ChatGPT will generate the script for you within a few seconds. The next step is to generate voiceovers. I'm not going to show it again. You can use 11 Labs for that. Just like we did before, copy this script part by part and generate the voiceovers. This time, we are going to use copyright-free video footage instead of images. Pixel.com is one of my favorites. You can download any type of video from it for free. Let's download some suitable videos from Pexels. After you download those videos, we can use CapCut for editing like we did before. Create a new project. Use the correct dimension for landscape view video, which is 9:16 ratio. After that, drag all voiceovers to the timeline, and the videos on top of it. You can add suitable video effects and captions like we did before. I'm not going to show that again. Edit your video correctly, and make sure to upload at least 2 short videos per day and 4 long videos per week. You can see the final results at the end of this video. I will see you in the next video.
Embrace the quiet strength within. Seek the company of those who choose thoughtful silence over empty chatter. For in solitude, wisdom finds its voice. Those comfortable in their own company reveal the honesty of self-awareness. In the stillness, resilience is cultivated, and the journey toward Stoic virtue begins. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a way of life. It originated in ancient Greece and has been embraced by some of history's greatest minds, from Marcus Aurelius to Seneca. So, what is Stoicism? At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. It's about developing an unshakable inner strength and resilience in the face of life's uncertainties.